welcome to my channel. Today I'm not doing any cooking or telling you about jigs. Today I'm doing a craft and I'll be making rainbow necklaces. So for that we need, of course, a book. You can use any hard thing like tables, boards, or books like I am using. We need thread, one needle and thread, but you need to make sure it's thin. Rainbow colors, a scissor. You of course need tape, but you can use more than tape like glue, UHU, super glue, tape, anything. We need something to sketch with like I have here. And you of course need butter. Guys, we also need paper. You can use big paper, small paper, any kind of paper. So let's first begin. You need a paper. If you want to fold it, fold it. If you want to just draw the picture on it and cut it directly, you can do that as well. But I'm going to close it. So I can get the double images. You can take anything to draw with like pencils, pen, markers, anything. I'm going to use a pencil and a marker so I don't get things dirty and do them neat. You can draw any diagram you want. I'm going to draw a unicorn. Now we're going to raise it. And now we're going to cut it. first one to exact copy the same second one, but I'll put the second one away for now. Next step, we're going to take our thread. If you can't find the entrance, you can make one entrance.
You can tell it again.
Friends, if you can't find an end, you can just cut one. And you can make the size of your neck. I'm going to use Zaina to size it for me. Zaina? Yes? Can you please turn around? Okay, turn around. And can you please put your hair aside? See friends, this is the size of Zaina's neck. Now I'm going to cut it from here. And can you again turn around towards me? Okay. And we'll put a thread aside. Now we're going to pick our cutouts and color them rainbow. You don't have to color them rainbow, you can color your favorite style. Now I'm going to color it. Orange. the unicorn. You can see it. You need a needle and the thread. And tie some. Cut it. Take it. Okay. Friends, this part is dangerous, so use a grown-up's help. You take the threads and front part. From here, you make a hole. Then do the same again. Now you will take button. Lena, can you pass me it? Okay. Thank you. Welcome. Take one side of it. And plug it in. Like this. Connect it with the other that's coming right below it to the rope and sew it in. And same from the top. Do it 3 times from both sides. Cut the extra. Do the same on the other side. are going to attach the cutouts. We're going to take the back side and place it like this. Turn the cutout upside down, place it underneath, and stick it. Friends, look, this is how it turned out. If you like, you can add hearts here or stars here, but right now I'm going to add hearts on both of these lines, 2, 3 or 4. So I'm going to use the left out paper. Draw the hearts, the half shapes, and cut them. Friends, now let's see how our cutouts turned out. Guys, we'll cut the same for the other side and stick them all. Them around. Take one. Put them under and cut the right size of the tip so we can stick the heart. Friends, see how it turned out. You can color the hearts if you want. Like this. You can close them like this. Put the thread away and the button together and close it tight. And you can wear it whenever you want. Friends, now I'm going to put the necklace on my sister. Brennan, can you put your hairs aside? Can I sit your friend? Friends, see how it came out. You can try it on yourself or on your little sister or on your big sister. You can make different designs like this. I made these three: butterfly, heart, unicorn, flower, star, diamond, gemstone, rhinestone, anything you want. If you like my video, share it, subscribe it, don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos.